Hi everyone, back again with another Rhaenyra Targaryen video. Let's see where I'm at with this beading. First off, I want to say thank you and hi again to everybody who came up to my booth at GalaxyCon Columbus and said that you were watching me make Rhaenyra and build Rhaenyra here on TikTok. That makes me feel amazing, and I can't believe this series is gaining so much traction. I gotta make this dress pretty good. Next big shout out goes to Smoking Glue Guns, whom I met at GalaxyCon Columbus, and she gave me I think it's a coaster, but it is obviously the Targaryen symbol that I'm going to be using for a beading coaster, holder, and pin holder for all these builds because aesthetic. So thank you, you wonderful queen. You are amazing, and also go check out her profile. All right, let's get to beading. So this is where we are right now. I have beaded all of these seed beads, check beads, whatever you want to call them, onto the other piece that's going with this. So I have 2 more lines to finish and 1 line to fill in here. And then we can start to move on adding this stuff to this piece. And then the front upper detailing will be done.